Hello guys, welcome back to Her Home Is. Thank you guys so much for joining the VIP and joining the channel. Now for this VIP section, you guys, I will be bringing you guys videos bi-weekly. So you'll get a video from me every 2 weeks and you will get a monthly live as well. I will be posting the dates that those will be coming up because it will be on the same day each month. So thank you guys for joining the family, and I would just like to say to you, I appreciate each and everyone's love and support. I could not have made it here without you. So let me give you your very first video, you guys, here for my VIP members. And I want you to know, you guys, you are so special to me. And I will be seeing you guys again very soon. Make sure you still share the channel and the brand with your family and your friends. And two, exclusively for my VIP members, you guys, I do have 2 more chemo treatments and 2 more radiation treatments to undergo that I should be finished with those by March. So I'm going to let you know, you guys will be getting the exclusive because you guys, we are relocating. We have already purchased a home. I will be dropping a few clips only in here on the VIP section of the new home. So you guys will get that first look and see of that. So I just want to tell you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. So make sure you follow us along, and once we finish off the chemo and the radiation, I'm taking you on my new home journey. But you guys, you will be in on that exclusive from start to finish. And I hope this bathroom gave you a lot of inspiration for this winter 2024. Now you guys, there is no time like the current time to change your reality. So make today the best day of your life. Your future is presently waiting for you. I'll see you in another video. And make sure to subscribe to Her Home Is, Glam Queen DIY, Her Home Tablescapes, and Her Home Vlogs.